Are you ready to start an AI business that can generate $3,750 a week? Yes, you read that correctly. This is a real scalable strategy that allows you to tap into the lucrative world of artificial intelligence without needing advanced technical skills or a huge investment upfront. In this video, I'll break down an easy-to-follow business model that you can start today to make money online using AI. So whether you're new to online business or looking for your next big idea, this could be your golden opportunity. Understanding the power of AI in 2024. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's an integral part of many industries in 2024. From automating tasks to analyzing data and even creating content, AI technology has become accessible and easy to integrate into business models. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to leverage AI tools for profit. You can run an AI-driven business with minimal upfront costs. The key is identifying opportunities where AI can provide a solution or enhance a service that people are already paying for. Think about AI tools that help businesses save time, improve efficiency, or scale their operations. These are the niches you want to focus on, as they have the highest earning potential. The simple AI business model. Now let's break down the core business model that makes $3,750 a week. It revolves around offering AI-powered services, which is incredibly easy to do with the right tools. For instance, you could provide services such as AI-based content writing, social media automation, or even AI-driven data analysis for businesses. The best part is that AI tools have become so sophisticated and user-friendly that you can use them without any coding or technical skills. You don't have to create AI, you simply use existing AI platforms to offer services to businesses, marketers, or content creators who need them. AI does the heavy lifting, and you focus on managing the projects and client relationships. The more clients you secure, the more money you can make. The AI content creation business. One of the fastest growing AI-driven businesses is content creation. With the help of tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and other AI writing assistants, you can produce high-quality blog posts, articles, social media captions, email newsletters, and more, all without writing a single word yourself. The demand for content is massive, and businesses are always looking for ways to scale their content marketing efforts. Here's where you come in. By offering AI-powered content creation services, you can charge businesses or influencers for blog posts, ad copy, or even complete social media strategies. If you're managing multiple clients and projects, it's easy to see how you could make $3,750 per week just from content creation. AI-powered social media management. Another highly profitable AI business is social media management using AI tools. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and SocialBee have AI-powered scheduling, content suggestions, and analytics that can save businesses hours of work. If you're skilled at managing social media accounts, you can use AI to automate much of the process while still providing top-tier results for your clients. This could include automatically scheduling posts, generating captions, or even analyzing engagement to determine the best times to post. By offering social media management as an AI service, you can land multiple clients and build a scalable business. Once you streamline the process, handling multiple clients will feel like second nature, and the income can add up quickly. Add email marketing campaigns. Email marketing is one of the highest return on investment services out there, and AI can make it even more effective. AI tools like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit use machine learning to help optimize email campaigns by analyzing open rates, click-through rates, and engagement. With AI, you can craft personalized email campaigns that feel incredibly tailored to each recipient, which leads to higher conversions. You could offer AI-powered email marketing as a service, helping businesses craft, schedule, and optimize their email campaigns. By charging clients on a retainer basis or per campaign, this can easily scale into a business that generates $3,750 a week or more. AI for market research and data analysis. AI's capabilities in data analysis and market research have opened up a whole new world of opportunities for online businesses. With tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, and HubSpot, AI can analyze large volumes of data to help businesses make better, more informed decisions. Offering AI-driven market research or data analysis as a service can be a game changer for businesses looking to stay competitive. You can help companies optimize their marketing strategies, improve their products, or identify new opportunities without ever having to dive deep into data yourself. Once you get a few clients on board, this type of business can grow exponentially. Charge premium prices for these services, and it won't take long before you're consistently making $3,750 or more each week. AI-driven virtual assistant services. With the rise of remote work, virtual assistants are in high demand. But what if you could take it a step further and offer AI-powered virtual assistant services? Using tools like Zapier, Trello, and even AI-based scheduling assistants like Clara or XA, you can automate a significant portion of the tasks that virtual assistants typically handle. This includes scheduling appointments, responding to emails, and organizing projects. By combining AI with human expertise, you can offer top-notch services at a fraction of the cost and time. And with businesses seeking to optimize operations, AI-powered virtual assistants can command high fees, making it easy to generate a solid income week after week. Scaling your AI business. Once you've nailed down your AI business model, the next step is scaling. Beauty of AI businesses is that they can be automated and streamlined, meaning you can take on more clients without burning out. For example, you can hire virtual assistants to manage some tasks, use AI to automate more of your workflows, or even create digital products like courses or guides on using AI for specific niches. You can also consider creating subscription-based services or monthly retainer packages, which provide steady income and allow you to build long-term relationships with clients. As you scale, you'll be able to increase your income and create more time for yourself to focus on growth strategies. How to get started with your own AI business. Getting started with your own AI business is easier than you might think. The first step is to research the AI tools that are best suited for your niche and start experimenting. Many AI platforms offer free trials, so you can test them out before committing to a subscription. Once you've got the hang of using AI for your business, start offering your services to small businesses, entrepreneurs, or content creators. The beauty of AI businesses is that they don't require large upfront costs, and you can start small and scale quickly. With dedication, the right AI tools, and consistent effort, you'll soon be on your way to making $3,750 or more per week. There you have it, a simple, effective way to start your own AI-driven business and begin making money online in 2024. Whether you choose content creation, social media management, email marketing, or another AI-powered service, the potential to earn big is within your reach. The key is consistency, learning, and adapting to new opportunities as they come. If you're ready to dive into the world of AI business, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on more tips, strategies, and tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need more advice. Let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, start building your AI business today and watch those weekly earnings soar.